falling to pieces in my...
Hello everyone! Welcome back to another vlog. So for today's video guys, it's really exciting kasi first time nating mai-experience yung Balloon Fiesta dito sa New Mexico. By the way guys, wala ako masyadong video for the past like 3 weeks already kasi puro lang tayo trabaho guys. And meron na lang tayong 3 weeks dito sa New Mexico para sa aking travel assignment and hindi pa ako sure kung mag-extend. So yun guys, today we're gonna go to Balloon Fiesta. So let's go! Sus mio guys, ayan ang aga-aga pa. Inano talaga namin na maaga kami kasi busy daw yung highway. Kasi nga Balloon Fiesta. And especially ngayon kasi Sunday. So hopefully we can get more videos later. Sana makapunta tayo malapit sa mga balloons. Then later guys. Ayan, nandiyan na yung asawa ko sa sakyan.
Klip na tayo sa akin. Nagyapon na ginagaya na ito.
Malayo siya sa pupuntahan namin. Traffic is real. Dito na kami guys, pero hindi kami talaga sa location. Dito lang kami sa malapit na simbahan. And it's already 6:15 ng umaga. So, antay-antay pa tayo ng sunrise. So dito kami nakapark. Ayan si Harvey, hindi nyo halos makita kasi black yung sasakyan. Dito may konting mga nakapark. Hindi namin alam kung pumunta din ba sila sa Balloon Fiesta or talagang nagpark lang sila. And then ayan guys, yan yung simbahan. Hindi nyo pa rin kita I think. Yung sa unahan guys, yan. Nandyan lang siya guys. Diyan sa tinuturo ko. Yan yung cathedral or church. Yan, may sasakyan na naman. Feeling ko titingin din yan dito. Woo! Wow! Amazing. Mas dadami pa yan mamaya guys. And nagtitingin din yung husband ko ng live dyan sa loob. Madaming tao guys. So dito lang tayo sa malapit. Di kakatipid pa tayo, di ba? May nagsabi kasi nakasama ng husband ko sa work na dito lang daw sila nanonood ng Balloon Fiesta. So makakasave ka pa ng ng ilang dollars. Kasi parang nasa almost 50 or 50 above yung bayad dyan kung magpapabook ka talaga. So dito lang tayo guys. Video tayo dito malapit sa Balloon Fiesta in New Mexico.
Okay.
Excited na ako na na sunrise para mas kita natin yung ganda ng mga balloons guys. So ayan, up close while madilim pa yung mga nagbi-blink na parang aninipot. Mga balloons yan guys. Time check.
The other thing is there's not going to be a lot of splashing. The river is very low. Very low. So did I?
We used to have each other's playlists. No, no. Used to be each other's best friends. Yeah. And now we go our separate pathways. But your heart's still in mine. Yeah. And maybe we could try it next week.
Balloon up close! Guys, mababa sila. Oh my gosh!
But who cares?
Ganda tingnan.
You said that we're
Oh my God! yun ah. Para silang emergency landing.
Bag of all your things that made me
Sunrise na guys, and see. May balloon doon o balloon. So mas dadami pa yan mamaya guys. 7 daw mag-float yung lahat ng mga balloons dyan. 1,500. Biruin mo, ang dami. So excited na ako guys. Ilang minutes na lang. 6:58 na sa watch ko. So may mga 6 na nakalutang ng mga balloons. So, yan ito. Ayan o. Excited yarn. Birds! They look like arrows going at that way. Nakisabay din sila sa hot air balloon guys. Ayan, may mga hot air balloons. May 6 kanina. Parang nandun na sila sa malayo. And yung may isa dito guys na napadpad. Parang may emergency landing. Ito yung isang balloon. Kaya nakapagpa-picture tayo, o diba? Hindi na kailangan magbayad pa ng entrance. Kukuha mo lang siya for free. Yan, and
We belong together,
time lapse.
me and you forever.
Mga balloons sa taas. Yan. Mas nadami pa yan guys.
Spirit goes up as the rain falls down. I've been sailing on the wrong course, keeping it together like I did before. Think that I've said this a few times. Even with that, has it ever felt right? I swear that this has happened every moment. Can I just be honest? I was only wondering, and maybe we could take it to a different conversation. Things will get uncomfortable, but only if we make it. I just wanna say that, but you'd rather take it all back. Although you are sunlight, you stay in the shade. I'm dancing in a corner just to get a space, cause I wanna believe that. Ooh, I get lost, you go with your day. Slowly get closer, but you're moving away. I know it's just a recap, but I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Maybe it's time to get home. Think that it's going a little too far, even after all the white noise. Oh, I still wanted to restart. Give all you're taking my time. It feels like I'm patiently waiting in line. So can we ever have another moment? Can you just be honest? I was only wondering if maybe we can take it to a different conversation. Things will get uncomfortable, but only if we make it. I just wanna say that. Still, you'd rather take it all back. Although you are sunlight, you stay in the shade. I'm dancing in a corner just to get a space, cause I wanna believe that. Ooh, I get lost, you go with your day. Slowly getting closer, but you're moving away. I know it's just a recap, but I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Bring it back, bring it back. Cause I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Bring it back, bring it back. Oh, I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Bring it back, bring it back. Cause I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Bring it back, bring it back.
Yan, ganda tingnan.
Sunlight,
Pwede ito talaga yung niliparan yung balloon. Kasi dyan yung Balloon Fiesta in New Mexico. Tingnan nyo naman guys, nag-live tayo guys. Nasa nakalagay yung ating cellphone. So we're back inside the car na guys. Tapos na yung balloon experience. Kasi 2 hours lang daw yun. May isa pa actually. Ayan guys. May isa pang hot air balloon sa taas. I don't know if kikita nyo yan. Ayan o. Sobrang liit niya kasi malayo. And yung the rest wala na. Bumaba na sila. And hindi pa tayo nakapag guys, labas ng pera kasi dito lang tayo sa malapit. Kita lang naman. And kahit doon ka, makikita mo siguro yung bottom lang. So yan guys, maggagala na lang kami.
Yay!
For the rest of the day kasi ito yung day off na sabay kami. So update na lang later. Ang daming kalat sa likod. Pack up na din yung mga family na kasabayan namin kanina guys. Dito. Parang din sila family nung mga under ng mga hot air balloons. So punta pala kami muna sa church guys. Yan yung church. Kasi parking talaga to ng simbahan nila. So walang bayad guys. Walang bayad yung parking. Diba? Free pa tayo sa parking. Kita pa natin yung mga hot air balloons. Ayan guys, update na lang later. So nandito na tayo guys. Parang ang layo talaga no. Pwede lang naman namin lakarin guys. Pero since mainit na, gamitin na din ang sasakyan. Meron namang maparkingan. So hanapin natin yung entrance ng simbahan. So after dito, may pupuntahan kami guys na mall. Meron daw dun anong tawag nito? Potato corner. Na-miss ko na guys. May potato corner daw doon. So ayan yung simbahan. Hindi ko lang alam kung open to. Pero baka open naman. So ayan guys, update na lang later. After dito sa mall naman. Guys, nakakaloka. Ako guys, napahiya ako sa maraming tao kasi may mas pala, akala ko walang tao. So doon kami sa yung main entrance talaga guys. Pag open ko talaga guys, tumingin lahat ng tao na nagsisimba. Napahiya ako guys. Gusto kong matunaw. So inaantay na lang namin matapos yung mass. Then papasok kami. Magpe-pray lang naman. Kasi late na kami sa mass, I think. Mukhang patapos na nga sila siguro kasi may lumabas na. So ayan guys, antay-antay lang muna kami dito. Update na lang ulit later.
Think that it's going a little too far, even after all the white noise. Oh, I still wanted to restart. Give all you taking my time. It feels like I'm patiently waiting in line. So can we ever have another moment? Can you just be honest? I was only wondering if maybe we can take it to a different conversation. Things will get uncomfortable, but only if we make it. I just wanna say that
We're here.
you're right to take it all back. Although you are sunrise, you stay in the shade.
Or ka na. Hindi mo siguro na mag-park lang dali. Tapos saka ta dito sa dali. Dito man yata ang mall. Mag-park lang sa dali. Niya, saka ta sa So guys, kami kasi maraming close na entrance. Hindi ko alam kung part yan ng Balloon Fiesta. Marami silang pinag-close. So we're here na guys. Cottonwood Mall ang tawag. Pasok tayo dyan. Hanapin natin yung potato fries. Ay, close pa ba? Wala kayo nagatang. So guys, close pa talaga ang mall. 11 AM daw mag-o-open. Di naman namin nakita na close pala siya nung sinesearch namin. So, antay lang kami ng 20 minutes kasi 10:40 na sa orasan namin. So, dito lang kami sa labas. Antay-antay. Update later. So, we're inside na sa mall, guys. Hanap kami ng makakainan. Sana meron. Woo! Potato corner! Finally! Makakain na naman tayo ng potato corner, guys. Sige. Ihi muna kami, guys. And guys, gutom na siya. Diyan kami namili sa Fuji. Kasi maganda yung rating nila. So, kain muna kami, guys.
A few moments later.
Pasok tayo sa Old Navy. Nandito yung gusto ko. Pag.
Take a look out the window. Spirit goes up as the rain falls down. I've been sailing on the wrong course. Keeping it together like I did before. Think that I've said this a few times. Even with that, has it ever felt right? I swear that this has happened every moment. Can I just be honest? I was only wondering if maybe we could take it to a different conversation. Things will get uncomfortable, but only if we make it. I just want to say that, but you'd rather take it all back. Although you are sunlight, you stay in the shade. I'm dancing in a corner just to get a space. 'Cause